Hey, what's up, YouTube? Y'all watching Armenian Munchie TV, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to be checking out some Serbian music, you know what I'm saying? Gurani music, you know what I'm saying? Or Gorani music, you know what I'm saying? Gorani or Gurani? Gurani or Gorani? Let me know. Misho, Gorani, Armenian folk song, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to react to a Serbian folk song by the same name, except for it is called Goranine uh, Shafani, something like that. Which, don't that sound so like Indo-European? Well, definitely Indo-European, but I mean Middle Eastern, you know what I'm saying? Sound Iranian. Gorani, oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazing. Hey. Sovrani, 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 Sovrani. Hey, Nursha, Bailo, ni, Goran, oh, my show, Gorani, Gorani, my show. Hey. Hey. Oh, this is beautiful. Yes. Targi. Rani. Shugurani. Misho Gorani. Gorani. Oh my god, I love this song. Hey, I didn't know Armenians could sing like this. Hey, ooh. Gorani, Gorani, Bailo, Gorani, Gorani, my show, Gorani. Hell yeah. Yo, if I didn't know this was Armenian when I reacted to the song, y'all know, or do you know what I would have thought this was? And if you don't know, I gave you enough time. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, too late. I would have thought this was Kurdish music. What the hell? I never heard Armenian music sound like this. It says Armenian folk song. And this is an old Armenian folk song. So the Kurds really were intermixed. Oh no, it's something about, yeah, it's something is missing from the story. And then the Serbians got a similar name, Goranine, you know what I'm saying? And I've been mentioning that the Serbs, you know what I'm saying, and the Croatians, and the Bosnians, you know what I'm saying, and the Albanians had some type of relation with the Kurds. And I'm talking about ancient ties. you know what I'm saying, that is either not talked about, erased from history. But let me just tell you something. I ain't stupid. And this is a beautiful song. I really love this song. What's the name of the singer though? My Rani.